Nice weather to walk, guys. Oh my gosh. A little bit gloomy. It's nice. We see already some snake, but I was like so scared. So yeah, me and Chris are walking. Just finish workout and then, you know, it's good to continue it. This is kinda like a post workout walking. So yeah, happy Thursday, guys. July 17, 2025. So yeah, so nice.
Somebody's birthday.